Hey there everyone, welcome to the Mac Essential. If you have ever downloaded an app on your Mac, opened it, use it, then next time, poof, it's gone. Yeah, that's a thing. But not to worry guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to properly install apps on your macOS such that they stay where they belong. And let me show you one such example here. And for that, probably I need to open my internet browser because recently I downloaded a very useful app. And next time when I saw it, I didn't find it in my apps. So that's the thing. And I actually downloaded it from Chrome. So that's why I opened this browser. Now let me go here in download. And this is the app actually. So let's click here on show in folder. And now here was the package and I extracted it, and here is the extracted package. So let's click on it, and again I can open it. But I would say if you do like this, then again it's going to happen same. But again, next time also you need to again manually visit this location to run it. So what we can do here is I'm gonna keep it aside, and then let's go here in Finder and click on Go, and then let's click here on Applications. Okay, now let's keep them side by side, and this is the app that I want to install in a proper way so that I do not need to revisit again this location. So all here what we need to do is we simply need to drag this app and need to drop it in application, and that's it. Now what I can do here is I can actually delete this downloaded package, and I can also close this downloads. Now if I go here in my dock in Launchpad, and if I scroll it here, I should able to find app in our Launchpad. So now I do not need to remember, oh, where was that app. And one more thing you can do if you use it more often, you can hold the app and try to drag it in your dock, and in this way you're gonna create a shortcut of that app in your Macintosh dock. And now whenever you want to run that app, you can simply visit your dock, click on the app, and then app will run without any issue. So in this way guys, you can properly install app in your Macintosh. At this channel, we strive to elevate your macOS experience. So be sure to subscribe to the Mac Essential, and I will catch you in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.